Alright guys, Logic Hero, okay? It's 3:21 a.m. It's pretty late. And there's like packs. I'm playing foot 17. Yeah. Almost this close to getting 1,000,000 coins. This close to getting 1,000,000 coins. So yeah. I just did this, the same thing. I just got to quick sell them. I haven't even played anything. I just want to get the packs. So yeah. I'll show you my team when I'll be done with this. I think I'll... Okay, we gotta inform. Oh, what if that was Lewandowski? Inform Lewandowski. Who's it? Ronaldo. Can it be Ronaldo? No, it's an Angolian. Who cares? We're still getting an Angolian. It's a good one. I quick sell them, but he's new. You won't quick sell them. Okay, we get Miranda. Who cares? We're gonna quick sell him because we need the freaking coins. Here you go. Please, Sidibe. Okay, you're not Mendy. 700,000 coins. Guys know which play this is gonna go. This is gonna go in the Pack Sanity, Pack Addict playlist. Great. Okay, oh, who cares? It's not gonna quick sell that guy. Great. Oh, for some reason I thought that was. Oh, I thought it was gonna. Team of the season. Who is it? Oh, what the heck? It's one of the guys that I don't even know. Quick shot. Okay. If you're watching this, John, you're gonna be so mad because I have 700,000 coins. But I think your team is way more better than mine because I don't have no team of the years. My team is pretty boring. This team is pretty boring. Yeah. Yeah. Quick shot. Almost. Okay, we got. Okay, we touched it. Oh no, why did I thought it was gonna be Neuer. I need Neuer. Please. Oh. Okay, we still get the Charisma, the Rabona King. Okay. Oh, Miranda. Can we get somebody else than Miranda? We already got Miranda like 1,000 times. Manuel Fernandez. You know you're not gonna get it. Yeah, okay, Ryan. Okay, Courtois, we already have him. Damn it. Quick sell this. Let's go. What did you get? Eto. I don't really care. If you could have gotten his is the USA card. We could have. That was because he's 90 overall and his American card. I don't know what season is, but I don't know. Quick sell. 18,000 coins. It took me a long time. I even did this when I was in the car, like getting back from like. Oh, today was at a wedding today. I don't upload because my phone was really on low battery. So yeah, mine is charging. It's already like 45. Carvajal. Okay, we could Carvajal. I don't really care. I already have them. Gonna get. It's not gonna be shockers. I think I never got shockers in this pack opening. Yep. There's no foot traps in here. Yeah, look. It's just squad builders, nothing else. 5 more packs, and then I'm gonna show you the team. Four more packs. Here we go. John, your team is way more better than mine. Yeah, I'll just say that your team is way better than mine. Cause I haven't. You okay? No, that was the polling flag. Actually, been way more better than all the packs there. Even though these are free packs, who cares? These are way better. Unless you're spending like 100,000 coins on like just a special pack, just go with it. You're actually gonna get something. This is a 5K pack. If it is, I'm very surprised. Or 7K pack, I don't know. I'm gonna look. Okay, that was the last one. I think I did more than 5. Oh, who cares? Oh my god, I actually didn't. Who cares? We need the coins. Deli Ale. Okay, that was actually a good one. Last one. 7. Okay, Emmerich. Okay, we already have him. Liverpool, go Liverpool. Benda. Get the wrong kind of Sanchez. What am I always clicking on purpose? Try. Okay, Klein. We actually get Klein this time. Okay, let me show you my team, my club. That's ready, guys. Also, guys, you know what the duplicate is? It's Cristiano Ronaldo. So, yeah, I have him in my team. Yeah, I have Cristiano Ronaldo. So, yeah, John. Who has Cristiano Ronaldo now? I think you got the team of the year. I don't know. I saw you. We got Ronaldo. That's a duplicate, so. 26,111 points. Damn. Yep. I got all of these off. I got all of these off camera. I got all of these today. I just barely downloaded this game today. That's crazy as heck. And I have 738. Yeah, I'm a master at this. I always do that. I never spend any coins because I'm not trying to do anything. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe. I want you to do a video about your team, John, because I forgot what it is. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. And see you guys. Oh, and guys, you know what this duplicate is? I'm going to be following one of the best. Like, if I get Messi and we get a duplicate, I have to discard him. Because I'm going to do a football. I'm going to do, like, a challenge. Do a football challenge. Yeah. Football challenge is, like, if we get Neymar. Yeah. Yeah, so. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Oh, I already said that. So, and see ya.